Let's continue working with bar plots, but this time using Pandas to fetch the data from data frame. Read the UFO dataset from your local drive using read CSV function. Just in case you get a read error, as discussed earlier, use a prefix "r" before the file path and you are good to go. Now let's examine the fields using info method. Here we can see that datetime column is stored as an object. Since we wish to plot a monthly trend, we need this column to be in datetime format. Let's use Pandas datetime function to convert this column to datetime. Perfect. You can see that the column has been converted to datetime format. Now let's get month index from the datetime field using a beautiful DT operator followed by month extension. If you rerun the info method, you will see a new column month as the last column in the data frame. Let's have some fun with this data set. Use value counts function to see the number of UFO sightings in a month. Be careful with the spelling. Now you see the monthly UFO sightings. You can sort them by values in either ascending or descending order. Or you can sort them by index. In order to see monthly trend, let's sort them by index. And we are done. Finally, let's plot this data using plot function. Great! By default, you will get a line plot. Let's change it to bar plot. Lastly, we need to add some finishing touches to this plot. Let's add title and labels for X and Y axis.